Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this video lecture on the topic Different Elements of a Technical Report. The contents of this particular lecture is meant for technical students pursuing courses like BCom, BBA, BCA as well as BTech. Now, let's start with what exactly is a technical report. A technical report is a formal written document made by a researcher that describes in detail the entire procedure and the research design of a technical or a scientific project. While writing a technical report, the students need to keep in mind that the report should be written in a very clear, concise and accurate manner. Any written document follows a particular format. Similarly, while writing a technical report, we also need to follow a particular format which has a proper beginning, a proper middle and a proper end. Now, let us discuss the key elements that constitutes a technical report in detail. The very first element is the title page of the technical report that contains the title of the report, the date, the details of the institution and the name of the supervisor. This particular page is also known as the cover page of the report. This page is a separate entity as any content that is placed on this particular page is not considered or included on the report's word count and is often followed by acknowledgement and also a table of contents. Next important section of a technical report is the introduction, which highlights the main objectives of the technical report. This section helps the readers to understand why the report has been written and also gives an idea as to what is expected from the report. After the introduction, we have the executive summary, or sometimes simply called as summary, which gives an overview of the entire report, including any results or conclusions that have been drawn from the report. It is better to write this section after one has finished drafting the entire content of the report. After the executive summary, we have the details of the experiment, if at all it has been performed. This section includes the details about the experiment and it also mentions in detail the materials and equipments that have been used as well as the procedure, the steps that have been taken. Next is the results and the discussion section of the technical report, which provides in detail the results of any experiment that has been performed. For better idea of the results, a detailed explanation of the results should be provided. After this section, we have the main or most important part of the technical report, which is the body of the technical report. The body of the technical report must be subdivided into several subheadings for emphasizing important points, and the points should be placed in a bulleted or numbered list in order to help the readers understand better. After the body, we have the conclusion, which provides the summary of the main points that is included in the body of the report, and in a way it wraps up the main content of the entire document. After this, we have the recommendation section, if at all it needs to be included, and this is the best place to write your personal opinions for the readers to know about them. The writer can also put forward his or her suggestions for any of the challenges that he or she has faced during preparation of the report. Next is the reference section. In this section, the writer can make a list of all the materials and sources that has been used throughout the research. The content that has been obtained from certain sources should always be acknowledged in this section. Materials like diagrams and graphs are included in this section, which is known as the appendices. For proper illustration and emphasis, diagrams and graphs are often used in a technical report, and this should be included in this particular section. This section may not be included if any such material has not been used for the preparation of the report. I hope this video has helped you to some extent in understanding the key sections that constitute while drafting a technical report. Hope to come up with more videos. Thanks for watching.